Hello everyone. We were going through chapter number 2, reproduction in plants and animals. In yesterday's class, we have started the types of asexual reproduction. Two types we have already seen. First one was binary fission. Binary fission means the organism is splitting into two and we are getting two new individuals. And the other was budding. So the organism is forming a bud, and it is when it reaches its full growth, it is detaching from the parent body, and we are getting another new individual. So all these two we have yesterday seen, and today the third type of asexual reproduction that we are going to start with is fragmentation. What do you mean by fragment? Fragment means pieces. Okay, pieces. So in fragmentation, what is going to be happen? The organism is going to make or split into fragments, and each fragments are going to grow into new individual. Okay, so fragmentation is a type of asexual reproduction in which the organism split into fragments, and each of these fragments develop into matured full grown individuals. Okay, and it will be same or identical to its parent also. Okay, that type of asexual reproduction is known as what? Fragmentation. For example, we can take Spirogyra. Spirogyra is an algae. Algae means it is a simple plant which is aquatic in nature. Aquatic means it is living in water. Okay, this is a picture of Spirogyra. You can see it is, and one more thing, it is not a unicellular organism, it is a multicellular organism. So this Spirogyra, when this Spirogyra is being mature, it is going to be split into two pieces. You can see that it is going to be cut into two pieces or two fragments we are getting here. So we are not cutting this one. This Spirogyra itself is splitting into two, and these two fragments are going to grow as new individual. Okay, have you got it? The Spirogyra, when it matures, it itself makes a cut, or it is going to cut into fragments, and each fragment is going to grow as a new individual, and this type of asexual reproduction is known as fragmentation. And the fourth type is spore formation. Okay, it is known as what? Spore formation. So spore formation is usually we can see in fungus, bacteria, and non-flowering plants like ferns. Okay, and what is happening in spore formation? So this is rhizopus actually. Rhizopus. This is a picture of rhizopus. Here you can see that this rhizopus is forming a special structure, and this structure is known as what? This filament like structure is known as hyphae. At the tip of the hyphae you can see a spherical structure or a ball like structure, and this structure is known as sporangium. Okay, this is known as what? Sporangium. In the sporangium there are so many spores are getting developed. Okay, so many spores will get developed, and when this sporangium get matures, this spores will come out by breaking the sporangium. It will get released, and these spores are going to be spread all over there, and when these spores get a favorable situation to grow, it will grow as a new individual. Have you got it? So spore formation means it is also another type of asexual reproduction. Spores means what? Spores are tiny, thick-walled, resistant asexual reproductive bodies actually. That is going to be formed in the organism. They are tiny, thick-walled, resistant asexual reproductive bodies. These spores are going to be developed in the sporangium, and when it matures, the sporangium will get break and the spores will get spread. Okay, and from the spore the new individual is going to be grow. Okay, and that is another type of asexual reproduction, and these two are today's topic, fragmentation and spore formation, and the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.